Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Fall in Love with Fall Collab 2019 hosted by Sharon from Creative Glam, and she wanted us to make something glam or farmhouse decor related, and I got inspired on Harry Potter and I want to make a fall BESOM inspired in Harry Potter. For that I'm gonna use this cute BESOM I found at Walmart. This one, it's beautiful and only costed me $2.50. Also, I'm gonna use this cute pom-poms called Purple Billy Button. And also this cute berries, burgundy berries. And the feathery thingies that are called Yellow Heather Spray. Some leftover floral from last year, and this cute ribbon that wants to fall for $1 from Walmart. So, let's get started. First, we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to wrap it around our BESOM. You can call it broom if you want, but I'm calling it BESOM because I'm decorating it. So I'm going to wrap it around so I have a base for my floral to stick to it without damaging it a lot, you know. I don't want to damage the BESOM, so I'm just adding that to add the hot glue there. And it also covers the strings it has. So now I'm adding and hot gluing all of my feathery thingies, even though I know the name, yellow whatever. They are feathery thingies. And we're gonna add those to our BESOM, just adding a bit of hot glue on the BESOM and the rest of the hot glue on our ribbon. So we're gonna add it on top and bottom, and I'm using 2 on top and 3 on the bottom. Lots of hot glue, and now I'm taking the pom-poms. I don't like the name. Billy whatever pom-poms. And we're gonna hot glue them to our BESOM. Just like that, and again we're gonna use 3 on the bottom and 2 on top. And we add them like that. And continue cutting and adding them to our BESOM, just like that. And we're going to add 2 of them on top. After the glue sets, we add 2 of them on top. And as you can see, I'm just adding the glue to my ribbon because I don't want to damage that BESOM a lot, because maybe next year I will change it. So we add that, and now I'm gonna add those berries. I love those berries from Walmart, and the feathery thingies also. So I'm gonna add those in between, just like that, the feathery thingies. And I'm gonna add another one there. I'm taking the hot glue strings, and I'm gonna add the last one on top like that, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing on top of my beautiful swag. So I'm gonna add that to the top, and then I'm gonna add my floral, the sunflowers and the mums I have from last year. And now I'm gonna add those flowers just like that, adding lots of hot glue. As you can see, they were from my last year's that was the wreath. Yes, they were from the last year's wreath. So I'm adding them to my BESOM, and I'm gonna add a couple of sunflowers here and some leaves there, and that will be it. Shout out time. So this one I want to give to one of my biggest fans, and I'm so excited about this. She's a feline fan and she watches my videos with her mommy. And first we have Belladonna, Floor, and Monkey, and they are 2 sisters and a brother, and they watch my videos with their mommy Jamie. and I couldn't be happier about that. So I just wanted to say that I'm sending you lots of kisses and hugs. So let me show you how this turned out. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have over here the berries and those pom-poms and the feathery thingies. And this is the like swag, so we have the same on top. And this is the floral. Let me give you a closer look of the sunflowers on the side. They're so beautiful. And this is how it looks. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Sharon for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And I'm going to be styling this a little bit later in another project. So if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.